We ask you to bless Jeremy and Lyndsey as they begin their journey as a married couple. May they prosper in all of their ways.
In my heart,
But especially
jumpy start and take
in their love
what you take.
for one another.
Marriage is a commitment in life where two people can find and bring out the very best in each other. Your relationship will take more than love. It'll take trust to know in your hearts that you want only the best for each other. Dedication to stay open to one another. And faith to go forward together without knowing what the future holds for you both.
And oh my God, you're beautiful. On the edge of blue, wish I stayed. I wish I stayed.
I, Jeremy, take thee, Lyndsey,
I, Lyndsey, take thee, Jeremy, heaven to hold from this day forward,
for better, for worse,
for richer, for poorer,
in sickness and in health,
to love and to cherish,
till death do us part.
till death do us part.
Jeremy and I have been through a lot of seasons in life, but no season have I seen him as happy and fulfilled as he has been with Lyndsey.
It's easy to see how happy you both are, and I can't wait to see what the future holds. It's been such a pleasure getting to know you, Jeremy. You have a special place in my heart, just like Lyndsey does.
Lyndsey, I'm sure that none of this is news to you, but with Jeremy, his actions have always spoken louder than words. I know that he will take care of you while also respecting you as his equal partner. He'll be there for you no matter what and drop everything to always show up for the ones he loves.
I am so happy that Lyndsey has you in her life. Thank you for loving her the way that she deserves.